Hey guys, I'm back today. I'm sorry I've been active very lately. I've been thinking about what to do, and I just started playing Cupid Castles again. I've lately been playing Minecraft a lot, but I realized there was a new update, so I'm gonna be kind of sharing this really cool update with you guys. And this update is all about Vending pack. It's three. It's usually it's pretty much like a trading machine. So I'm gonna head back to my room real quickly. I just have to play them because I literally just got back from Cupid Castle install update. So I was like, oh dang, I should make a video about this. So I'm gonna go back inside and see we're in our shop. So we're gonna go to the Cubit store and gonna buy the vending pack. It's 1,500, and you get 3 vending machines, and that's it. So let's check it out. So I don't really know how to work these. This is my very first time using it, so let's just go up to it. Use. Price for vending. Oh gosh. That's a crap load. We're just gonna put, let's see, what should we put in it? We could sell, just let me go and check what is around, I guess. Got my good old piggy here, not gonna sell that. Let's see. Yeah, these are just full of, random things. I guess I have a lot of scaffolding, so I could just take some of that, and I could sell one for, I don't know, we'll do one for 3. No, 4. Let's do 4, I guess. Your price is set to 4. Gives it work? Oh, hey, it did. Let's see, do we just put it in there and put glass over it? I didn't even put glass over it. I don't even know if I have any glass, to be honest. I mean, this is okay. Never mind, I do. I do's. Now it's making weird. So let's see, that's interesting. Guess I can go get one of my friends to come and test it out, and I will see you guys as soon as I get him to come here. Okay guys, back here with Hiccup. Oh my gosh. Will you test it, please? I have no clue if he's just gonna actually test it or not. No, it's not. Oh boy, let's see what happened here now. Does it sell all? So I honestly have no clue what it really does, so I didn't know if it sold one or all those in there. Oh. I thought it took one. And now back, they're gonna be trade. Is it like slash trade? slash trade. Slash trade. Oh, okay. Well, I'm going to return this guy's money, and I'll be right back, and thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and see you guys later.